So anyway, about this quality of mind that is fundamentally pure and clear, in this text, Lama Yeshe writes, for our benefit, he writes this. From an ultimate point of view, our consciousness always remains pure and clear. The non-dual characteristic of the mind is never damaged by the dualistic concepts that arise within it. In this respect, consciousness itself is pure, always was pure, and always will remain pure. There are very powerful methods in Buddhism for awakening the very subtlest level of mind and for directing this blissful, subtle, clear light consciousness towards the spacious and penetrating vision of non-duality. Yet even before we become highly skilled practitioners, we can make contact with our mind's natural state of clarity and taste the freedom of this experience. An easy technique to use in times of challenge or confusion is simply to look up into the clear blue sky without focusing on any object. Merely gaze out into the space with an intensive form of awareness and let go of all the ideas about yourself. You are there. The blue infinity of space is there, and nothing else appears. As we fill our consciousness with this experience of the clarity of space, we will naturally come to contemplate more deeply the clarity of our own mind.